Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. As always, I will be sure to have all of the products that I'm using throughout this video listed down in that description box, so definitely check there if you all are interested. If you guys enjoy, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. And as always, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. And if you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's dive right in, guys. I am going to be moving this chair back on the other side of the bedroom. It was there to begin with, but I just moved it over here just to see how I liked it. And honestly, it just has become a catch-all spot, and I don't like that. So with it being on the other side of the room, we do not just throw stuff there. We tend to put it up. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and move it back so that we can just get rid of this little problem that we've created for ourselves. So as I've mentioned, cleaning the shower is definitely not one of my favorite chores to do around the house. It does take quite some time to do, so I only do it when I come home from the gym or as soon as I wake up first thing in the morning. So this particular day, I had just came home from the gym when I started my cleaning, and I just decided to share with you guys since I was recording anyway. All of the products will be down in that description box, so definitely check there. It has definitely been trial and error to find the method and the products that work best for me. I do like to remove the plastic part at the bottom of the shower door. I think it's called like a door sweeper or something like that. I like to remove that at least once a month and clean it. I like to spray it down with some 409 and let it sit in the tub with some really hot water, or just pour some bleach in there and let it sit. That's something that a lot of people just forget to remove and clean, but it's definitely necessary that you do that. Over time, it just holds water and it gets mildew and an odor, so definitely make sure that you're removing that and cleaning it. Also, if you just feel like you need to replace the one that you have, you can definitely go to Home Depot or Lowe's and replace it.
So tell me, can we try again? We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. Low in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Like I was falling through the air. No one let myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every.
Now that everything is nice and clean, I am going to go ahead and lay down the new rugs, as well as put up the hand towels that I picked up. If you guys are caught up on all of the videos, then you know that I had mentioned that I was going to start putting decor into the master bathroom. I also shared some decor items with you guys, so definitely check those videos out. It will be a part 2 to this video because some things didn't work and I had to go out and exchange some items, but I will definitely share that in an upcoming video, so be on the lookout for that.
Feels like lines have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here. Again, as always, if you all enjoyed, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. Definitely be on the lookout for part 2, where I finish up the bathroom with wall decor, and I'm going to share with you guys the items that didn't work, that I had to switch out, and some new pieces that I found to go into the space. So definitely be on the lookout for that, and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget?